Alright, viewers, here we have this 36-inch Montgomery Ward. This is one of the ones I actually kind of wanted for a little bit. I like the pointed motors in these 36-inch fans. First I'll use that tag. As you can see, it's been pre-painted in this kind of tannish color, so that kind of sucks. I may clean this one up, I may leave it as it is. Bearings are perfect, and it's not bad. Definitely would probably take this paint off it though. And the cool thing about this one is, yet again, I have a control for it. So it's a 5-speed control. Let's turn the light off so that's not interfering with my current draw. That's like I'm drawing the amperage, okay. So here we go. Let's go ahead and go with speed 5. Go, 5. And 5 we're drawing 0.3. Yeah, 0.34 is what it looks like we're staying at. Give or take a little bit. I got my phone charging on the same circuit, so it might be a little bit less than that. Let's go ahead and go to 4. 4 we're drawing 0.41. It'll probably pick up a little bit of speed. Speed 3. 0.49. Speed 2. 0.55. Let's go ahead and go to speed 1, which is full power. And she goes to 0.66. Probably be getting another one of these in the future. The same people have one that they're possibly going to take down also. So if they do, totally give me a call and I'll go ahead and buy that too. So very cool. Let's go ahead and do some. And as you can see, this fan's in pretty good shape, besides being repainted. This might go on my list for an eventual sanding / repainting, unless I find a better condition one. I think the other one they have isn't painted, though I don't recall. I'll have to look at it once again when I go over there and buy it. I mean, either way, these are cool to have. And these are Montgomery Ward, which I believe is Union. I'll have to check the bottom label after this thing gets done doing spin down. This came from the same house as the Southern Breeze. By the way, if you're watching this after the other video, that 56-inch fan was known as the Southern Breeze. I didn't know it at the time of recording. Facebook, actually people had seen them before and told me what they were, and they're not that common, so yeah. The same house of these had a bunch of 4-blade Moss Caribbean Breezes, but they're all wood blades, and I don't care for the wood blade ones, so I left them. The metal blade ones, I'll go ahead and get them. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.